Hey Tigers, I see you've chosen a mystery space on your PE Tiger bingo sheet. Today we will be making a fitness fortune teller. It's similar to the fortune tellers that a lot of you have probably made or at least seen, but this one's extra special, so make sure you watch the entire video. To make your fortune teller, you'll need one sheet of paper, but you can have a couple extra just in case you mess up, one pen or pencil or writing utensil, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. You will start out by taking one corner, folding it over, line the edges up nice and neat, and make a crease at the fold. Press down, slide your fingers across so it makes a nice crease, and you'll see a long rectangular strip. That's going to be an extra part that we're going to also fold over, make a crease, because we're going to be cutting that off later so that we can have a nice squared piece of paper. So take the rectangle, fold it over, make the crease. Then you'll open your sheet of paper back up, smooth it out a little bit. Take your scissors, cut that extra rectangle off. Make sure you try and cut nice and straight, or else you could run into some problems later. Boys and girls, if you need some help cutting or using the scissors, I'm sure you can ask a family member and they'd love to help out. So cut that rectangular strip off and set that to the side. After that, smooth it out. Exaggerate that crease, make sure the edges line up and the corners line up. Open your sheet of paper back up, and then you're going to fold it in half the opposite way. So once you do that and create the next crease, when you open it back up, you should have a square with 4 big triangles. This next part's optional, but I do recommend it just to help you out a little bit. Take your marker, writing utensil, and put a dot in the middle, and you'll be folding each corner into the middle to meet up with that dot. So do one corner first, make the crease, take the next corner, fold it in, make the crease, take the third corner, fold it in, make the crease, and you'll take the last corner, fold it in, make the crease. So you have a smaller square with 4 triangular flaps facing up. After that, you're going to flip your square over and you're going to repeat the last step. Take one corner, fold it into the dot in the middle, make a nice crease. Take the next corner, do the same thing, make a crease. Take the third one, fold it in, make a crease, and take the last one, fold it in, and make the crease. Press down so everything's nice and defined. You'll flip it over, smooth it out, flip it back over, and then you'll fold it in half. This is where your fortune teller is starting to take shape. Fold it over again, kind of really crease those edges, bend it a little bit so it's nice and flexible. Then you'll stick your fingers through the openings at the bottom. You might have to wiggle it around a little bit. As you can see here, I had to play with it just a little. And there you go. You have your fortune teller. So that's the fortune teller body that we will be using, but we've got to label it because remember, this is our fitness fortune teller. So we're going to write Tuscany on one square, Tigers on the next square, flip it over, and we're going to write love on the third square, and then PE with an exclamation mark on the last square, because we know that all of y'all love PE. After that, we've got to label the inside. So we're going to open it up and this is where our numbers come in. So the numbers you're going to write on each small triangle are going to be 1, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, and 15. And yes, please copy the numbers just as I did on here. Then we've got to add our exercises. So under the 1 triangle spot, you might want to grab a pen or pencil for this part. You're going to do wall sit for 30 seconds. So that's the exercise for number 1. For number 5, you'll write under it push-ups. For number 9, just so you guys can see it better. For number 1, it was a 30-second wall sit. 5, it was push-ups. For number 9, you're going to do squat jumps. So squat down and jump up as high as you can. That's for number 9. For number 10, you're going to do burpees. Burpees under number 10. I know y'all are going to love that one. For 11, you're going to write down squats. For number 12, you're going to do lunges. For number 14, you're going to do sit-ups. And then for number 15, which is the last space, you are going to do jumping jacks. Now, all of the numbers written represent the number of repetitions per exercise if you happen to land on that exercise for your fortune. So if you're wondering, well, how many do I even do? The number that's on top of where the exercise is the number of repetitions you do. So fold it up. Might have to play with it again, get it back in its shape. Then you will choose or have someone choose for you one of the choices. So spell it out, L-O-V-E. Choose a number. 5. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Choose another number. Number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And choose the last number, 14. Open it up. You now have to do 14 sit-ups. 14 sit-ups. All right, Tigers, there you have it. You now have your very own fitness fortune teller. Remember, I challenge you to have your fitness fortune told at least once a day. But remember, if you'd like to do it more and you're up for that challenge, I challenge you to go for it. We love and miss you guys, but we are looking forward to seeing all of the fun that you have with our PE Tiger Bingo. Hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.